Bulletproof Rap Contest, FloFlo sounds. My name is Logan Wise. I go by Lwise. It's capital L, no dash, W-I-S-E.
Lwise.
I'm representing crucial music. And this is my entry. And I swear it's the dead Mary Jane and the J that I'm hitting. I found a religion that's a way that I was singing, so I keep on going. Every time it's pressed, I'm gonna hit it. If it wasn't illegal, you wouldn't worry about it, would you? Right in the kiss and not even a mention. Sometimes I feel like I need to hit it. Roll another blunt, we go to cloud, double digit. We ain't gonna put it out till it's down to a midget. We higher than the sky, and the sky is a limit. Holler at her, tell her that I'll be there in a minute, cause I know she got a couple things that she can go and finish. I don't need another mother telling me to eat my spinach. Said this before, and I'll say it. When a young girlfriend with a car back then, she can come sneak in about 3 a.m. Long as she can roll it up, and it really isn't a problem. I've been on my grind and I'm tired of the nonsense. Making so much music and I should be making profit. And one of these days all these bitches are gonna be topless.
Promise.
All about a rapping instrumental, got it full throttle. When I get to go, I know that you can never stop him. Every time I get the flow, and I've been thinking about the motto with them loaded is to keep on going. Every time I jot it, see they talking about the talent, but I realize that I got it. There's a lineup for the people that been waiting on my project. Crucial music brought the sickness to them.
Bulletproof Contest.
And there really ain't an option, and I'm hoping that it's obvious. I'm calling to the top and yelling just a bunch of followers. And when I reach my destination, see me and I'm monitor. I'm never giving up until it's time to give up all of this life that I'm living. My prescription wasn't given like a river. When you listen while you shaking and you shivering. Did I mention when these women start to grinning? Cause the lyricism getting in it's got them feeling innocent. For these critics wanna lay upon my premises, I'm crossing off the list of all the gibberish and mistresses. Crucial business in this intricate symbolistic necessity. This old debris on all this life I'm living. And I'm smoking on the green and I'm high like cereal. Ain't never gonna meet them. Every time I get to thinking I've been hidden in a motel incognito. Don't know what you mean though, I can't even be the beat up. If you're feeling like you heated, it might be running a fever. What is your demeanor? You better get rid of the needle. I've been running like a cheetah and I think it's time to beat them. Stuck up what they call me and I think I'm about to speed up. I've been rowing down the road to the Holy Ghost, and I'm speaking in tongues that overshadow my nose. And it was the thorns of the rose I was giving them gold. I thought I was cold, paradoxical. Is it impossible to hear the inaudible? I'm unstoppable, it ain't optional. And when I'm done with the beat, it needs a hospital. Because it's anything to me, it's an obstacle. What's this dude's name? I ain't got a clue. To the haters, what the fuck you think you gonna do? You know I'm coming after every single one of you. It ain't no one to run the record, why I'm wonderful. You know if I was you, I would start running fool. Tools to my life and I'm following through. And you, what the fuck you think you're gonna do? Cause I've been on my grind like 5 to 9, and you addicted to my line like coke and a smile. And I'm a shine so bright, yo, might go blind. And if you thinking this is easy, just give it a try. Lwise is one of a kind. It goes 1913785.